In this video, we will go over how to access the sample metadata form in Nexus and how to submit samples. When accessing the Nexus user portal located at nexus.emsl.pnnl.gov/portal, you will be brought to the Nexus dashboard. Using the dashboard, select the Proposals and Projects tile and click on the project you wish to submit samples for. You'll be taken to the Details tab of your project. Here, you can find information about your project and associated staff and researchers. The next tab over is your project's Workspace. This tab provides a space for call notes, project updates, comments, and sample submission. Sample submissions should be split by sample type and shipment. The sample groups associated with your project were identified upon submission based on sample type and risk assessment. To submit, identify which sample group the submission is for and select Download Submission Template. Next, open the template in Excel and save this file with the project number and the PI last name as well as the sample set. This template can then be filled out in Excel. See our videos titled Metadata, Completing Sample Tab and Metadata File, and Metadata, Completing Sample Submission Tab and Metadata File for information on how to fill out the Sample Submission and Samples tabs. Once the Metadata and Sample Submission tabs are complete, you can select Start New Submission in the Workspace. In the pop-up window, fill out the fields and upload your file. Use the file name for Sample Set Submission Descriptor. For Metadata File Descriptor, type out the number of samples, sample type, and analysis planned for these samples. Next, add your metadata file and select OK. Once complete, a submission section will be added to the sample group you chose. Here, you can select Add Comment and tag your metadata point of contact for metadata review. Type in a note that you've completed your sample metadata and your metadata point of contact will be notified via email. It will then be checked over by that point of contact who will either approve your submission or indicate that updates or changes are requested. Once approved, the metadata point of contact will generate and share a receiving number and address for where to ship your samples. If you have any questions or issues, please contact your project manager. For more information and other video tutorials, visit the EMSL at PNNL YouTube channel. Thank you.